Hello, my name is Clive Loseby. If you are watching this, you might already know that I'm passionate about website accessibility and have been working in this space for nearly 2 decades. In this video, I want to talk about something that is causing a lot of confusion and, frankly, a lot of risk. I am talking about third-party accessibility overlays. You need to hear the truth. These are third-party add-ons that claim to make your website accessible in just a few clicks. But here is the truth. They will not protect you from the European Accessibility Act. In many cases, they will do the opposite. They will increase your legal exposure. And today, I'm going to name names. An accessibility overlay is a piece of third-party code that you add to your website. It sits on top of your site and claims to fix accessibility issues instantly. It usually adds features like text resizing, contrast toggles, screen reader mode. Sounds helpful, right? Wrong. Here is why. These tools do not fix the underlying code. They do not make your website truly accessible. They often block assistive technologies. They conflict with real screen readers and can even override user settings. They create a false sense of compliance. And when regulators or lawyers investigate, that illusion falls apart fast. The worst part is that many of these companies are being sued right now. In January 2025, the US Federal Trade Commission issued a proposed order against AccessiBe for misleading advertising. The order, which includes a $1 million fine, is currently under public consultation and awaiting final approval. AccessiBe claimed that their plugin could make any website compliant with the accessibility guidelines. These, by the way, are known as WCAG, a set of technical criteria used to assess website accessibility. We will look at these in a later video. UserWay, another vendor of accessibility overlays, is facing a class action lawsuit from one of its own clients, Bloomsbury. They bought the product believing it would protect them from legal action. In fact, it did no such thing, and they were ultimately forced to settle that claim. Other vendors who sell these products include EqualWeb, AudioEye, Max Access, Purple Lens, and ReciteMe. You can find the full list at overlayfactsheet.com. You will also find clear explanations as to why these products will not make your website accessible. Under the European Accessibility Act, your site must be genuinely accessible to disabled users and not just appear to be. Third-party accessibility tools are not a substitute for fixing the actual problems. They are like putting a sticker over a crack in the windscreen and pretending that the glass is fine. And by the way, I work with a team of disabled users in all of my audits, and we frequently come across these third-party accessibility tools, and we hit problem after problem after problem. Regardless of what they say, they do not make your website more accessible. But I do need to explain something else, because you might visit our site, Access by Design, and see an accessibility toolbar at the top of the page. And you might be thinking, wait a minute, isn't that an accessibility overlay? Here is the difference. A proper accessibility toolbar enhances the user experience. It does not attempt to fix underlying code errors. It is integral to the website's native code. It is not, I repeat, not a third-party product. Our toolbars let users change visual elements like font size and color contrast, and we have been doing this since 2006. Offering this helps our websites achieve WCAG AAA standards. We will go deeper into those in another video. The key point is this. Our site is built to be accessible before the toolbar is even touched. The toolbar simply offers extra options, which is exactly what a proper accessibility toolbar should do without interfering with assistive technologies. Third-party overlays, on the other hand, actually make websites less accessible, not more. We work with organizations across sectors to make websites truly accessible. And this starts with real testing by disabled users, not AI guesses. Then we create a compliant accessibility statement that actually protects you whilst you fix the underlying issues. You do not need smoke and mirrors. You need truth, clarity, and support, and that is what we offer. If your site is running one of these tools, or if you're unsure, book a 15-minute chat with me now. Let us help you make your website genuinely accessible and protect your business before the 28th of June deadline. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.